Okay, unboxing. This is from 5G broadband. So getting started with your device. So you need a SIM, this one, and then this one. This is cool. Okay, so you can see here, this is the code when you want to connect or your friends want to connect to this Wi-Fi. So look at this, MC888, and these are the key and the password. So we're not gonna show that unless you want to connect here, and then unless you come here and you want to connect, you know. So where are those cords? All right, what's in here? Okay, so these are the cord. This is the cord. Only one. I thought more cords here. Look at this. That's why I said these are the cord. So we don't throw this one. We might need this. Okay. And there's nothing in here. Oh, there's one more cord here. I think this connects to the modem or phone. No, we don't have phone. It's not fit there. Oh, it's here in LAN. So let's try this out, and then let's plug in. So you can see the light there. We put here. There. This is cool. And then we plug here. Okay. So you'll see it's reading. So what's next? And this one? Oh, we need a SIM card. So, where's the instructions again? Follow the instructions. Okay. So, a valid nano SIM card like this, and then view the label on your device, get default form, this one. And then insert the nano SIM card, open the slot. Okay. It says it's red here, network, because the SIM card is not even inserted. So we have to unplug this first. And there. Okay. The nano SIM is the smallest one. So originally our SIM card like this big before, and now it needs nano, the teeny tiny size, the first, second, third. So let's put it should be like that. Ba't ayaw niyang pumasok? It's just like that. Okay. So next, after you insert that, the power on your device in here. Okay, power. Nauna yung power, ano? Okay. Ayan. So we'll see. So after the power, it's a Wi-Fi thing. Oh, access the internet. Okay, we have to wait this and this and this and this, the signal. We'll see how fast it is. So watch how many minutes. Why the network is still red? Still reading? Okay, we need to redo again. Okay, just remove this first. Is this correct? Oh yeah. It needs to click. So my fault. Okay, put it back again. See? That's good that we're recording this one. Okay, so we'll see again. So the network here should be white, not red. And while waiting for that, we will connect in here. We have Wi-Fi already, but very slow, so we have to change Wi-Fi. Which one here? So 3 broadband. Oh, see the network here, and then you see. Oh, where is it? Ah, see, it's red, and then there's a light. What happened here? There's nothing here. So let's see the name of that. Ano ba? This phone sucks. Okay, see, it's not working. That's why I'm not really using this one. See, it's hung. Not doing anything. Okay. Where did you go? See, all of the lights are here. Okay, so we should connect to 3 broadband. So the encryption, the Wi-Fi password. Teka lang. So it says connecting. We'll see. Password incorrect. Try again. Okay, I try another password, and it's connected. Oh yeah. So let's try this out if this is fast. Where's the YouTube here? Okay. Whatever is in here. Atal Alera. Is it fast? What do you think? We'll see. That's nice. I think that's good. So, thank you for watching. Ayan. High speed 5G broadband by 3.